Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to change your username on Fortnite. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now first thing you should do is to open your browser, then type Epic Games login. Click on it, then open your Epic Games account on the browser, then go and sign in. And now after signing in, all you have to do is to go to this icon up right here, then choose account. Now after choosing account, it will show you the account information here in the account settings. Now what you're gonna do is to click on this icon right here beside display name. Click on it, then it will show you this box right here, new display name. All you have to do now is to type the new name that you want to name your account with. So I'm gonna name it, for example, Hemo. Then check this box right here and click on confirm, and make sure that you will not be able to change your name before 2 weeks. So make sure to choose an appropriate name because you will not be able to change it in the upcoming 2 weeks. Then click on confirm, and then your username will be changed. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.